Welcome to my channel. Let's make a travel-related banner. First of all, open up a blank banner page in Canva. Now go to Elements and write Frames. As you can see many frames, choose this triangle one. Next, adjust it like this. Now, press Ctrl+D to duplicate it and select both the triangles and press Ctrl+D to duplicate them as well. Now, rotate them and adjust them. Select all of the shapes and adjust them as well. There you go. Now, go to Elements and search for Shapes. From Shapes, choose this triangle. Place it here and increase its height. Now change its color to white and duplicate it. Duplicate it again and rotate it, and duplicate the rotated triangle and place it in this triangle. Now go to transparency of each of the triangle and change its transparency to 40. Go to Uploads and upload your image and adjust it in each frame like this. Rotate the upper images to adjust them in each frame to make it look like one single image in all 4 triangles. Now, I'll paste the text which you can add according to your style. So, this is the final result. If you like the video and the tutorial, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get new videos like these as fast as possible. Until then, meet you in next video.